Hello friends, I am Kukila and you're watching my channel Tech Kukila. Today I am telling you how to create your website in just few minutes and with little knowledge of coding in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Today we are working on the template given by startbootstrap.com on their website and on the fly. Let's begin. This is Microsoft Edge. Now I'm moving to the website. Its URL is startbootstrap.com. Here we have different templates and themes. So let me go to the themes. Here I'm having different themes which are available. Some are paid, some are free. So I'm going to the free one. Let's say this one. Now this is the theme we'll be working on. So there are multiple options here. You can download this template or the theme and you can code the way you want. Now there is a new option available, that is customize and download. Here what we can do is we can customize this on the fly and download it later. Okay, now I'm clicking this. So here I was already working on it, so I did something. First thing is you have to on the edit mode. Now this green line shows that you can change this text or the images. So this is the header. Here is the website's name. So you can use text or use an image. I have used Tech Kukila and I'm saving it. Already saved. So let's cross this. Now these are the navigation menu. How you want it. If in my website I want it like this, I am changing from portfolio to about us. We can change this to YouTube channel and contact will remain contact. Let me save this. Now here you can see it is saved and changed as well. Now this is the logo. I can put some other file. I have used my logo. So this is this. Now you can change this also. So you can write here, you can write my first website. Now according to your business you can change it, right? I am just telling you how you can do it. What the website is all about, you can put that to this area. You can put I am into education. I'm writing that. Now you can change this to some other text. You can change these images also. You can change this image. You can change these also. And you can also add new items here like this and the description of that particular image and the item, right? Like this. Fine. Now about the website or about your business, you can put here. If you don't want it, you can just delete it like this as well. You can change it to contact us. And here you can change the phone number as well. You can change the email ID as well and the footer items also. If you want location, you can put that. If you want to put address, you can do that like this. You can change here. Once you have done this, you can go to theme options. You can go to colors as well. There are multiple options available. So if I want this, it will change to this. You can see, right? In this manner you can change your primary color, your secondary color, and also the font. You can change this to some comic new. It depends on what type of business you want, what type of viewers will see it. Once you are done with the way you want initially on the fly, you can export it. Once you export it, this will be downloaded here. Now you're going to the download section and you are actually doing what? You are extracting all. So here is my folder. You have four things here. One is that index.html file, that is the index file, that is the home page you have just created. So the website has given us the one page layout, the index page. Now the second thing is JavaScript, it has all the files, your JavaScript files, which are used by the main page, home page, right? Then the CSS, where all the CSS files, cascading style sheets are available, which are used by the index page. Assets may basically there are images which are used by the website. Now if I want to see this is my website. It looks like this. Fine. Now this header, this is responsive header. You can see when I am scrolling down, it's there. Fine. One thing I want to show you is this. This is responsive layout. आप इसको you'll minimize it so you can see how it looks on the mobile phone. It will come like this on top of each other rather than adjacent. Now I am again going to the folder. Now let me show you the code here. Once you are done with the home page on the fly, that is on the website, you can change the code here. If you know some coding in HTML, JavaScript, CSS, you can easily code or change anything you want. You want to change the title, which was not there initially on the website. You can change here, right? You can change the font style, you can change the color, you can change the size of the content, you can change the size of header, footer, anything you want you can change here. And same ways you can change the CSS files also, which are available here, the styles.css, body.css, and also you can change the script, JavaScript file also. And this way you can create your website for your business, just a single page, you are ready to go. But if you want a full-fledged website with different pages, you can create in the same manner. Just you want to put some other content on the second page and third and so on, and your website is ready. Then you can just publish your website, purchasing the domain name, purchasing the web space, and you are good to go. So you have seen that I have made a website. It will look like this on the browser and it will look like this on a mobile phone. So if you like my video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get my new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.